I'm Hayden. I'm Keziah. And welcome to Eternal Learners Academy. So, today we're going on a nature hike, and we've gone on this really long, cool road, and we've saw some really cool things. And this is our neighbor's area, but they've given us permission for this, so we're gonna have some good nature hikes on this. As you can see, a lake we fished in the other day. Behind us,
How was the fishing?
look up there. Fishing was not good. My line got stuck in the tree. We didn't catch a fish. Yeah, wasn't good.
Maybe next time.
Yeah.
Black rubbery thing.
Yeah. Bamboo. Bamboo.
Why is it so shiny?
This looks like an onion peel.
Almost there. That thing.
Oh, look at the yellow flowers.
Oh,
So cool. Then the bamboo, as you can tell, over there.
that thing. Wait, no.
Nature hikes are so cool. Oh, minnows in there. Look at the minnows. That's cool.
What is it?
It's a rock, even though it looks like a baked potato. It is hard though.
Actually, wait, the shadow was in the way.
That's weird.
It's a baked potato.
It's a baked rock. We're baked potato rocks and a flip flop sandal. Yeah, that's weird. It's crazy what you can find on nature hikes. We're currently standing beside the tributary that flows into the Yadkin River. Let's go to the Yadkin River. Yeah, look at the deer tracks coming along. There's gonna be more tracks. There's gonna be more tracks. This way.
Oh, that's a log, right?
Yeah, I think that's a log.
What did you think it was?
I didn't know. It looked like a very large muskrat. Go on down.
Wait, get us with the.
Josiah, go on down, bud.
We are currently at the Yadkin River. I'm gonna throw the baked potato rock. I've still got one more. Show you exactly the river. Curse splash. Yeah, it's a ladybug.
Ladybug. Ladybug.
Yeah, boys.
Ladybug. Hey, Mommy, look what I found. A red rock.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
We love the beautiful day, the fresh air, the exercise we got from walking out to our house all the way to the Yadkin River, and we love the beautiful day that God created. Have fun, learn always, homeschool well. Peace.